Not every warrior wears a uniform. Some wear courage, and one such warrior was the Shaheed Bhagat Singh. मैं खान असमत कक्षा 11वीं से बिरला ओपन माइंड्स इंटरनेशनल स्कूल पामपोर की एक छात्र आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करती हूँ प्रोजेक्ट वीर गाथा प्रेजेंटिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ शहीद भगत सिंह. एज ही सेज, मैं मर जाऊं मगर मेरे सपने जिंदा रहेंगे. I may die, but my dreams shall live on forever. Now the question is, how did the story of revolution begin? It started when Bhagat Singh was born in 1907 in Punjab, and he grew up listening to the stories of revolution. At the age of 12, he witnessed the Jallianwala Bagh incident, which changed him forever. He saw the soil soaked with the Indian blood, and then he said, "उस दिन मेरे दिल में देश के लिए कुछ करने की आग जल चुकी थी." Bhagat Singh believed in two ideas: one revolution with pen and revolution with pistol. He believed that revolution started within the minds of people before it reached the battlegrounds. He read Marx, Lenin and Gandhi in order to understand that revolution without awareness is incomplete. He says, मैंने आज़ादी की जंग बंदूक से भी लड़ी और किताबों से. On 8th of April 1929, Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Dutt threw bombs in the Central Assembly. Not with the intention of killing anybody, but with the intention of awakening the sleeping nation. He was arrested, tortured, but he was never silent. Even in prison, he debated, wrote and inspired people, and he said, जिंदगी तो अपने दम पर जी जाती है, दूसरों के कंधों पर तो सिर्फ जनाजे उठते हैं. On 23rd March 1931, Rajguru Sukhdev and Bhagat Singh walked to the gallows smiling. मुझसे ज़्यादा खुशनसीब कोई नहीं. देश के लिए मरने का मौका हर किसी को नहीं मिलता. Bhagat Singh's bravery still lives in every Indian heart. His revolution was not just against British, it was against the fear itself. He taught us how one should fight against injustice no matter what. He says, मैं भगत सिंह हूँ, मैं जब तक जिंदा हूँ तब तक इनकलाब जिंदाबाद.